Can you instantly transfer money between Cash App and Apple Cash? As of November 2025, there is no direct official way to instantly transfer money between Cash App and Apple Cash. They are separate systems owned by different companies, Block Inc. and Apple Inc., with no direct API integration for transfers. Claims of direct transfers using unofficial apps or bots are often scams. The fastest instant method is indirect, involving a withdrawal from Cash App to a linked bank account and then loading that money from the bank into Apple Cash. Let's look at the steps involved in this workaround and why a true instant transfer isn't currently possible. The quickest workaround involves transferring from Cash App to your bank account using the Instant Cash Out feature, which takes 1 to 5 minutes and may include fees. Then, load the money from your bank account into Apple Cash via Apple Pay, which takes another 2 to 3 minutes. This takes a total of 3 to 10 minutes to complete. This relies on real-time payment rails like RTP or FedNow via your bank. Direct transfers aren't supported due to differing frameworks. Always use official methods to avoid scams and be aware of potential fees.